How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this is school situated in Gola Bazar. Today we have to clear some doubts that are given in your book of computer for class 2nd. And I am Aditya Vikram Rai from LPM Public School, and this is school situated in Gola Bazar. So let's come on topic. Our topic was more on MS Paint. In more on MS Paint, we have learned many topics as like paint window. The paint window has two main parts. Ribbon, it contains the tools that you draw with, and drawing area, it is the area where you draw. And after that, the ribbon is divided into two sections, tabs and groups. Tabs, in the paint window, there are two tabs, home and view. These tabs contain different commands to draw and edit the picture. And groups, a group is a collection of related commands. For example, clipboard, image, tools, shapes and so on, or some groups on the home tab. Pencil tool. The pencil tool is used for freehand drawing. It gives you the feel of drawing on a sheet of paper. To use the pencil tool, you have to follow some steps. On first, in the tools group, select the pencil tool. And after that, in the colors group, choose any color in the color palette. And after that, make sure that the color 1 button is selected. And after, click on the size drop down button, select the thickness option for the pencil line. After it, in the drawing area, left click and drag the mouse to draw a tree with leaves and a trunk. And after that, there's eraser tool. To erase any part of a drawing, you can use the eraser tool. To use the eraser tool, you have to follow these steps. Select the eraser tool in the tools group. After that, move the pointer onto the drawing area. The pointer shape changes to a square. Click and drag the pointer over the area you wish to erase. And after that, fill with color tool. The fill with color tool lets you fill color in any closed shape or area in your drawing. To use the fill with color tool, you have to follow some steps. On first, draw a closed shape or drawing. Select the fill with color tool in the tools group. After that, in the colors group, select the color 1 button, then select any color in the color palette, and after that move the pointer on the drawing area, click inside the shape, the chosen color fills inside the shape. After that, color picker tool. The color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture and fill exactly the same color in another area or object. To use the color picker tool, you have to follow some steps. On first, draw one more balloon in a drawing. On second, in the tools group, select the color picker tool. On third, bring the pointer to the drawing area. The shape of pointer changes to a dropper. On fourth, click on the outline of the yellow balloon. As example, red. The color picker tool picks the red color. Notice the pointer changes to a fill with color tool. On fifth, move the pointer to the new balloon and click anywhere inside it. The same color fills inside the balloon. Text tool. The text tool is used to enter text in a drawing. To use the text tool, follow these steps. On first, select the text tool in tools group. On second, select any color in the color palette for the text. Make sure that the color 1 button is selected in the colors group. And after that, bring the pointer to the drawing area. And now click and drag the pointer on the drawing area where you wish to enter the text. And after that, a dotted rectangular box appears with a blinking cursor inside it. The text tab appears on the ribbon. Using this tab, you can change the text size, color and style. And after that, type the text you want. Brushes tool. The brushes tool works like a paintbrush. Paint has different types of brushes that give artistic effect to the drawing. To use the brushes tool, follow these steps. On first, click on the brushes tool, drop down arrow. On second, select the brush you want to use. On third, choose the thickness of the brush from the size drop down list. On fourth, in colors group, select color 1 button, select any color in the color palette. Move the pointer onto the drawing area. Now drag the mouse to draw. And after that, drawing shapes. The shapes group has various tools to draw shapes like triangle, oval, rectangle, star and many more. Let us learn how to use polygon tool and curve tool. Polygon tool. The polygon tool is used to make a custom shape with any numbers of side. To draw a polygon, you have to click on the home tab and after that select the polygon tool in the shapes group. On third, choose any color in the color palette. Make sure that color 1 option is selected in the colors group. Color 1 option decide a color of the shape outline. On fourth, click on the size button. In the drop down list, select the thickness of the outline. On fifth, bring the pointer onto the drawing area. Drag the pointer to draw a line and click at the desired point to add a new side. Sixth, after drawing the first time, you do not have to drag the pointer to draw a new line. Simply click at the point where you wish the new side to appear. A new line joins from the last point. This way, you can add multiple sides to your shape. The polygon shape is complete only when you connect the last point to the first point. Curve tool. The curve tool allows you to draw curved line. To draw a curved line, select the curve tool in the tools group. Select on color 1 button in the colors group, then select a color in the color palette. From the size drop down list, select the thickness of the line and after that bring the pointer to the drawing area. Press the left button and drag the mouse to draw a line. Release the mouse button, click anywhere on the line and drag the mouse to get a curve. Saving a drawing. To save a file in Paint, follow these steps. On first, click on the File tab. A drop down list appears. On second, select the Save option. The Save as dialog box appears. In the file name box, type in a suitable name for your drawing. Click on Save button. The file will get saved. Opening a saved drawing. A drawing saved in Paint can be reopened anytime you want. To open an already saved file, you have to follow these steps. Click on the File tab. A drop down list appears. Select the Open option. The Open dialog box appears. Fourth, locate and select the Paint file you want to open and after that click on Open. The selected drawing opens on the canvas. Closing Paint. Close the Paint program, follow these steps. Click on the File tab. Select the Exit option from the drop down list. Note, if you have saved your drawing, then Paint window close. If you have not saved your drawing, then Paint asks you to save the file. Clicking on Save opens the Open as dialog box. Clicking on Don't Save option, close the Paint program without saving the drawing. Let's come on exercises. Tick the correct answer. Which of the following tool is used to draw a custom shape? Which of the following tool is used to draw a custom shape? You know that the polygon tool is used to make a custom shape with any numbers upside. So the right answer will be polygon tool. Option B will be right answer. Second, the area where you can draw and color the picture is. The area where you can draw and the picture is called drawing area, because the area where you can draw and color the picture is called drawing area. Third, the tool which is used to give artistic effect to a drawing is. The tool which is used to give artistic effect to the drawing is called brushes tool, because brushes tools are like a paintbrush and it helps to different types of brushes that give artistic effect to the drawing. And now, how many color buttons are there in the colors group? There are 2 colors button in the colors group. Okay, there are 2 colors button in colors group. Fill in the blanks. The dash with color tool, color in a closed set. The dash with tools fill with color. The fill with color tool lets you fill color in any closed shape. Okay, so there will be fill with color. In first, the dash tool fills color in a closed shape. You know that the fill with color tool lets you fill color in any closed shape. So in first there will be fill with color tool. The dash option is used to close MS Paint. When you are closing MS Paint, then there is when you click on the File tab, and after that you have to select the Exit option from the drop down list. So there will be Exit option. The pencil tool is used to freehand drawing. You know that the pencil tools are used for freehand drawing. and it gives the feeling of drawing on a sheet of paper. The dash button is used to choose the thickness of the tool. If you want to choose the thickness of tool, you have to use side button. Okay, right through come true and false. The color picker tool picks the color from an object. The color picker tool picks the color from an object. True, because the color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture and fill exactly the same color in another area or object. That will be the color picker tool picks the color from an object. That will be true. The color picker tools picks the color from an object. That will be true, because color picker tools is used to pick a color from the picture or any object. You cannot add any text in a drawing. You cannot add any text in a drawing. That is false, because you can add any text in the drawing with text tool. Okay, so that is false. And now the curve tool always straight line, draws a straight line. That is also false, because the curve tool draws curved lines. Fourth, there are 5 tabs in paint window. No, there are 2 tabs in paint window. In paint window there are 2 tabs: groups, home and view. Okay, answer the following question. Name and answer the following question. The curve tool draws a straight line. That is false, because the curve tool draws curved lines. Fourth, there are 5 tabs in a paint window. False, because in paint window there are 2 tabs, that are home and view. Now you have to, on front there is answer the following question. Name any 3 types of brushes in brushes tool. Name any 3 types of brushes in the brushes tool. You can write any 3 types of brushes in brushes tool, as like the following brushes are. You can write different types of brushes: air brush, calligraphy brush 2 and calligraphy brush first. Okay, and next one is, how is color picker tool different from fill with color tool? You know that a color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture. The color picker tool is used to pick a color from the picture, while fill with color tool lets you fill color in any object. Okay, and the next is, name any 5 tools present in the tools group. You can write any 5 tools. Third question, name any 5 tools present in the tools group: pencil tool, eraser tool, text tool, brushes tool, fill with color tool. There are 5 tools present in the tools group. Okay, now listen carefully. You have to give an PDF of this question answer in your notes, daily notes, so you can see from there. And now that's your homework time. You have to write exercise A, B, C, D in your CW copy. You have to retain A and B, so you have to write exercise C and D in your CW copy. Thank you.